Welcome to ECOSTRESS Tutorials. This tutorial will show you how to install Python for Mac OS. Let's start by searching the web for Python download. Click on the first link. This will take you to the Python download page. Make sure the device listed here matches the device you're working on. In this case, I'm working on a Mac, so this is correct. But if it's not, you can go ahead and click one of these links down below to fix it. Once it's correct, click the yellow Download Python button. Now, let's navigate over to our Finder and open the Downloads folder. Here we can see the Python installer. Double-click to launch it. This is the Python installer. For the introduction slide, press Continue. Then, for the README slide, press Continue. Under the license, press Continue. This pop-up will occur asking you to agree to the terms of the software license agreement. You can select Agree. Then, for installation type, click Install. It may prompt you to enter your password. Go ahead and enter it and press Install Software. Now the installation will begin. Once the installation is complete, this window will pop up showing all the downloaded files. If we go back to the installer, we can see that it says the installation was completed successfully. Now you can select Close, and if it asks you to move the installer to the trash, you can do so at this time. Thank you for watching this ECOSTRESS tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. For more trainings, tutorials, and information, including a written version of this tutorial, go to ecostress.jpl.nasa.gov/documents, which will be linked in the description.